say, oh, ho, yeah.
Adom FM.
Yenso, yen ho, yeah, pa.
Adom FM.
The Adi Kai, my yen Sam Bogan, my phone in Abasubium, titru your frontline workers, sir. And bra COVID-19, unity. Mama Yehu say, Modie, Modrin ye, who na modoye. Yenda Ghana Armed Forces. Soldier from penny for mem hasi. Some about modern Emma yen quain say. Me she soldier tadi and fan represent it. Eye Ghana soldier for mu mem hanyina. And I must say some of my and sa kwenya no. Yendi so. Na emre pemu no. Yebesa bani abedam wase. So officially no man ya kwenya. Say yebetimi you see the uniform of the Ghana Armed Forces. The atrosubium IGP wono mpani fon so yedamase. Say officially mo man yan kwan. Say yebetimi CJ. And so ne OPD. Ene nana ya abrefon so betimi ya she police atade. Na yetimi dia represent Ghana Police Service. Said ebe ya monso amuwom na mo boye na mo boye ho ban no yebetimi dia bo mo abaso kolebu anesifo panin wonso ye da ase se uma afia mankwata makru kwan so betimi address te se nurse ni ene Ghana adokotafo mpanifo a monso mo ma kwan se Jerry Justice ena afei omahene enso betimi address to say a doctor for Yadamase, the Moyama no Yeniso. And a monso a moshe da troye, a sansa dear ye no. Wahoo, a coye. That effe, any can. Monso a moshe da troye, no persabody and bataho. Say yanji permission, and ye shed down your kosher, crofoshe police at adere, any idea no. Monso Yadamase, but when guase. Adia me ya be depan so be a chop bad story wo me hu say bad story na ya na kontem eti woni ma dia be asi na dana story na mo tro say yen kwaji permission no mo am share that yes no when say story na ba bia say Adom 106.3 and edi kan what Tom station no me da ase mo advertise yen mo ma nipa bebre kura wanya hu your pictures no wo hu yen won so ya da ase. So we share that so we trust story money but me dem hu ni say papa why ade mo di adom yen the person ya ma wo tie ase ne say so wo hu say me hye soldier atade me nye soldier ni ena me ni hu kwan me ni tumi bo ba bia multimedia sabi kwasi twumpo oni tumi wo ba bia so betimi say wa pam soldier atade yentam boom ni yen kwhye yen nyone saa wo ye ne saa watomra yen yenim de ti yen said de ti yes tro krata se wunima ye tro krata enya ho akonya yenim de eti ye nsori ya se OPD ene CJ won sori ya nkwahye post atade no ya nya no saa post form penny form ma ye kwam ye ni 2 divisional commanders na deal ye divisional command we address OPD and a divisional command we address your friend saying CJ apostle for the free one fear quad dress wo me so soldier for the free barracks bed dress me said them see dressing fees and come to me Timothy Warner mo ke kan some no ba heart bad but I am dead some more year on sir mo boy ye me story no so kwachiri me fa no so nsia e kwachiri pa o wo mo trust story no ewurade a nipa kura ya da bia ye bi o mo why e kwachi papa fe na me course pictures no so efe me hu ye fe o e na hye nkrofo no ye hu ye fe papa e hye wo mu ofe wo mu se he padisi no me hu se me hu ye fe me yire ye made bi em kofie no me yire ye made bi me hu ye fe o ahye wo bu o eti ye sre kwan but ye da se wo trust our story ma me fa no so we dey moguo ya share African series na say but maduna dia bi ho adwea every African the patutum bi o we wiase mu bia nim say ade e fe nkabom eho hia but why is Africa still not united Question Amibu said, why is Africa still not united? Yet Africa and America and France for to share Libya so Muammar Gaddafi Africa was quiet. Nobody, no African country was bold enough to stand against America and France. We watched on and allowed these terrorists to kill Muammar Gaddafi. Broad daylight. What was his crime? Libya. No, munum so free. So kania free. Yama masika free. Ka kurano. Bisa wonwa akodi doctor wo Libya dan say, wo di doctor wo Libya, wontua dan ka, wontua nsuo ka, wontua kania ka. Wo traka mu free. Bisa wonwa akọ Libya ne da. Wo fi say denti na Ghana fofa esumu ne a desert so eco Libya. But when Muammar Gaddafi was under serious attack, Africa was quiet. Would you say, or maybe sorry, say, or attack any European country? All European countries better holding your head. Why is Africa still not united? Why can't Africa solve its own problems? That's my problem. And it's like Muammar Gaddafi or Yabibia and Yampa. And it's Africa and Timinko and Koka. Na yetimi ahwe ha amabi aman bi fi wo man mu abekum Muammar Gaddafi hwede na Libya agija akoduru hwene de Libya aye. Why is Africa not united? Oh wani adada yen yes so bibi the nepad by kwa wani first minister Kofi Kunadu Apreku, Minister of NEPAD and Regional Integration. What happened to NEPAD? Yay. What happened to NEPAD? Yes, Africa bomb. Say. Wait. Some. Not Jegu. Why is the African hungry? Why? Why is the African hungry? Meanwhile, we have fertile lands. Asasia. Say, yeah. Yes, what yeah. Yeah, na comedy African. Why? Why are we so hungry when we have the best of lands? The Jeja Yahusana Sankrofoya Dada. You hear near Quatra table, huh? Now you see, I organize a conference over Russia. How to make Africa a better place. That's a lie. That cannot happen. It is not true that Russia will never make Africa better. Please. Oh, that this conference in the United States, America is collaborating with Africa to make Africa a better place. China is collaborating with Africa to make Africa a better place. Belgium is collaborating with Africa to make Africa a better place. That's a lie. If indeed China has got anything meaningful better for Africa, why are they destroying our river bodies? Why? Why? Are our leaders just fall flat for these lies? And anytime I read about Africa, and the reason why we are always moving backward, we are retrogressing, my heart bleeds. Adendra, why is Africa now importing tilapia from China? Why? Now we import tilapia from China. Why? In 2009, the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, had an estimated 24 trillion untapped mineral deposits, including the world's largest reserves of coltan and significant quantities of the world's cobalt. The United States Geological Survey estimates that the DRC has 1 million tons of lithium resources. What has happened to that? What has happened to that? During Jericho, first time I was in this country, when these Israelis, these Canadians came to Ghana, and they said that Ghana, your bauxite deposit, it ranges above $6 trillion US dollars. Now China comes in, lie to us, and we give a whole area to China for a palpable $2 billion US dollars, and people want Africa to praise them for this mediocrity. Africa rise. It is so shocking that a continent, a river body stay any other continent in the world, our people cannot get good drinking water, no potable water. Why? Why? My heart bleeds.
Jim FM.
My heart bleeds. Why? We have more river bodies than any continent in the world, but still we do not have water to drink. Why? We have gold, we have diamond, we have manganese, we have everything on this continent. Still, our youth are unemployed. Still, our youth are dying. Our mothers get pregnant, they go to the hospital and they die. Why? Why? Something is doing me. I don't know. Bibi Yeme. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What is happening to Africa? Why? Oh God. Mumbo Bibi Mami. I don't know. I don't know.
I told you yesterday it's about solutions here, not problems. Look, migration, China came and took our stuff. We borrowed money from them, and all those talks are meaningless. Listen to me. They are meaningless unless you don't have solutions. If you don't have solutions, all this talk is meaningless. And migration is natural. Look, everything China is doing to Africa, they are doing it according to the law. There is nothing illegal. Let me make one thing clear to you all. Everything these white people with this European global elites are sucking out of Africa. Look, the Nigerian crude oil is being sucked out of Nigeria. It's not well managed. Even some of the areas in Nigeria, it is destroying the villages, it is destroying their water. These are all legal according to the Nigerian government. Let me make one thing clear. According to the Nigerian government, according to the governors of those states, these things that happen, they signed the law that says it's okay. The Chinese didn't magically appear in Africa. They came legally to an incompetent race. Incompetent race. Race that believes that when you are just talking, you are powerful. Race that believe that when you have Julius Malema saying something, you are powerful. Have you seen any Chinese activists talking? Have you seen any Chinese man that is giving a speech like Barack Obama? But they are all coming. Because talk is cheap. You can give good speeches from teleprompters and television channels and news stations and say something nice. But if you can't build toothpick factory, you cannot build, how do you call it? Anything for yourself. All you know how to do is design a bag, bleaching creams, fake Brazilian hair, and make sure you have a big ass and you can wear good clothes and know how to talk.
And that's it. If these things are even legal, who signs them? Is the African. I keep saying our leaders need to begin to think. My grandfather at Gomoa Techman cannot be thinking for Ghana. He can think for that small portion that he lives. There are leaders in this whole continent called Africa, presidents, MPs, lead ministers, vice president across the continent. What is happening to us? It's a huge concern to me. And this is the time for us to rise. Me wani pa bi wa homa so me mboni din or a former United States of America Army officer me mboni din. My friend Ghana ba match here.
Yes, sir, Captain. I tried to say.
Yami Adom me ho ye. Now, also.
Adom me wa ma me so.
So sad. So sad. Africa, so sad. So sad.
Captain. Only my ear goes.
Catch me.
Adom FM.
Papa now born in voice. So I say, I don't know. You're paying for. You're me do the normal. Captain. You're paying for. They are all under threatened. Captain, what we the people don't know. Say, Ada be your man penny work crew we mo and Africa could be as well. Yam from America, the best work for UK. Me a lucky dog. Now in summer you be catch all. Captain, say me boa man penny for my comedy power that. Yeah, almost no credit to drop. No more who say, and you and almost pet, thank you, but not your TBI woman, and you almost pet. No more in Sabia and switch. Would Jimmy on Bukun? Woman console on best so cool now. It's not go full window. So I'm afraid penny for shed them. Can say, see, my example. Now do buy. Cancel obey one district, one factory. Because I say, anything. Your friend no catch your friend a big AC of full play for America and they say, Massa also quite a chasso and to him they could see it. Or buying of the year new strategy, it's okay. What factory no? Yeah, that's all I say. Na Yanika Kaka new queen. Me say omo maye kwa me ndi ye ho na panyi bi obesori Africa mamu bia na obeye se obema Africa de no ho no meyi wafi ho ye wo say wo samples wo ye wo mama Gaddafi ye wo Idi Amin ye wo penyofo bebre even Bago awo ye ha bi ko say ya or try and so omo undermine no enti no ye problem no ye say yen pinyin for we no it's time I saw munyam boss no mumbra bonting on be country say e say na eko me de nanka minim say his excellency Nanado nanka ni age a wedi se bi komukunu kran kenetwi on fadi kwanta so maye no be country say e say until na yentimi di ho because every government there was successful but omo ma kwai. Why? Over Africa, in Africa, they know what only the best you are. As a survivor, at the year corner, before you're not in say, we must try and survive our assassination. Before you're not Sajino, Brunel and no status or the share plans or the big control the beer, the interest, the resources, the beer, what plan to watch it at all costs. No, he get those things to survive. You know, you said it. You know, and your name get Jenny said, "Yedi the Didier Atu Namiso and your bumpire hoping say or boy dear ebe yes sakeni jamai." I said, "Yeah, sorry, na ye ko ye normal ejuna ye be wo ye be didio ye she nyaminsa na me bisa o say oyira ye aduane ama na o de poison egu aduane na wo ne hu say me yire di bibi egu aduane mo a me suspect say poison me pacho o ba betena say abon pa ye egu aduane so aduane say o be twa aduane egu captain in town
metro egu
exactly enti
Anyankofana yenim no fu afara. Estama esi en divorce omo. Emphasis it. And just anyankofon. Then you start to say, you planning how you see be normal, you best survive that death. We must live with that death because Omo my agenda said that damn no we will not survive. But in the correct, they need us more than we need. Master almost sorry and adua. No more sorry no much. Usha America president you know homophobia a dictate a shemra a kodemu president do ye o figure dictate no na mo tiatia by your homophobia mo go pentagon omuna a shemma enti omuna bi sa no mo we eko ebi okwa president na akwa ye mbona mane ukoka ye se enye ni pay grade obi ti patagon ono ya drop plan man say ye duane a e food a ebi ni ebi GMO seeds here on planning 2020 say on best starve Africa with food starvation. So 2020 we mimi who are 203 and I mimi who are doing. Almost say on the fertilizers let's say yassassin now also we push fertilizers no ebe say yassassin no. I say assassin ya yen kasa yen wiane na ye di na ma ya hoden no say wiane no yen tini ndua biom this omwan kasa di omu seed na omate omja testing no e de bread en na mu fe na GMO seed na wiane na ye di say wiane na 70% GMO ene oti tomatoes now the 2 tables wa adbechi na chinsu first manka oti tomatoes a bit mada table so be 1 week na ya so fresh. And then Oman subsidy Captain Oman say ya shafe. Oman say you even the air. Say Mamincha Wadian. Only we say environmental EPA Oman sponsor EPA no Omo bad the Oman Mafa. Guess what? Sa oxygen network no. Aye say uko yen the show. Yen kanom yeni factors be work Ghana hanka. We have to be depleted from oxygen in the system. No? But who can share EPA for now? Only Manico. My pastor Denia resource that because in it, almost air samples now EPA for RCV. Nimbo branch with more receiving no maji, omodia, no my test no Korea. Nipa kono fandi omuna resource no. You need the way in front of me. Na if you see over survive there, ade miensa won frama wonsuo ene wasase a wodidi so na se ososidi se sa no ma miensa ya wode wo ya tetewuro unam wiase a wo tete woji wuro enti no ma na ekoso no captain say me ene wo ma me so because in nsem no gumebu be pray but yen ho sebi adwina yedi din say dinti na iso ntumpo mu yen fa sa adweno enye ya manu sem enfa ntwe no mu ye yeti ha ene ya say no edi ma foreigners ena omunya ekwan de ba ha na office date na China target ye gold no enye bibia o it was a plan almost some fa yensuo some be say yensuo ni asase they have succeeded. Now, this opinion, Papaya, me boni jan mase or Sofu Kantaka, Apostle Safu. Go, why your research be? Or try to obey resisted soil, or person Danny assassin or master na say intimate one, no, yes, Juman. Captain, and then a hodia, dear hodini, you need you. We don't have it. And it's so enough. Na unsio crowd do test so na we be show especially here kwa wa akra ha de na wo the fat eastern western de biom tutu go make ni na ura asinase atini abedu yaba akra enti inso so omo nwa na mostly bohos and omo machine afa ni na omo de gu pure them tie no enti gradually no yewu ni and I said, therefore, I back in 10. Captain, and some so me jam me hope. In simple, I can't meet me too quiet. They will kill me. Now me, what am I dying for? Because you go for we no. Almost they say, "Hey, right now,
many of my emphasis here. No one can there yanka. I was just here. So the most important thing, they say. One will say, you see, BP4 akwahwe oil kakrabi egu epubi anywhere America home potem ho baby. One with the way the whole European countries with support of Canada and Russia. A Tijina a BP4 console so won't a whopping $810 billion US America by. You remember that story? Check the BP story. Check it. Companies are America and Russia. And some companies were Europe. They were fined. Why? I didn't try. Almost say, in Suana, chemicals are finding a way into some of their river bodies. These people were fined. One country, all the Western world supported them. Pacho, if indeed these Americans, if indeed these British, if indeed these Europeans, if indeed they care, if indeed they care, I didn't see. And a China for say and sassy, and the poison and no, not even a single European country, not even America, not even Britain that colonized us have risen against this nonsense. Why? If indeed they care. Well, Yadigupum, Yasi Kumunam, Epumunam, Epumumua. So Europe rose, America rose. Now, say so what the poison gum maya num, and now we go for my wunyamwa. First, and we go for my wunyamwa or war snake. Who snakes? God is not a fool to have created snake. There's a reason of creating snakes. First, and I walk a former, yes, be a friend, be army ants. And Cranny, when was the last time you saw and Cranny? We are destroying our environment, and the world is quiet, and Africa seems to be patronizing this nonsense from the British and Americans and the Europeans that come, there's a way, we want to sit on a round table to make Africa a better place. There's no better place that could be created in Russia for Africa. No, it's not possible. But I keep saying that the youth of Africa, this is our time. Odata Wellington, for a reason. If I die today for the reason of Ghana, so be it. African youth, let's rise and make Africa a better place. 0302-216-561, 216-562. 0302-216-561, 216-562. Nah. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Captain, good morning.
Patrick say.
Yami Adom 106.3.
Mamintio.
Yami Shana Jumapa we.
That's it.
Captain, your family umusumru Damabi. Captain, Mamintio say, I man soon Emma will need soon, sir. Now, Africa, any Ghana as a whole, no. Say, would the one quant to Homa Africa, and the one quant to Homa Ghana. Who wait, you know, the best also your quasia. Now, Oma, no one anonymous crano. One say, I had found the Baba Bayo Mono. Say, some I will hope, Nasa Usho with you. One Casabe, Ubu, so, because I say, or my numana, any continent now, you will Africa continent, Nankasano, black now, a way of home, a Katay home. I say, Diabo. But may mean say, Yankupon bore blacks, no, ne a Diabo Maya, because who shall and a big Pia, what did the was what the money pa at the money pa one high no you will be adwene you will be nyansa you will be nimdia you will be former good year you will be asasiso good year you will be ewiemu you will be anything ka den nyankopon onye ebiem na so no one ka say ye ka say me say onipa wo ho na say one dua obi ba dua ma no onipa ba dua ma ono so be use na adwen no na dia work for ebi na etu ye wo Africa ha no anya say nka ye ntimi ndi ye ho but we are refusing to think and people are thinking for us and so obi na adwen ma wa said you open no de wo ye eno na ekoso no entino Africa no adubra I was say sad dirty politics nsem hu anhu nyia na onipa hu se ni nia ye bibi a wonim sa die we ya ni nia ye no e ya de pa be boa ye because of politics because of woni ni nia e bi na
Funny Pafofro. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ofenikasi Kwejo. My name is na Africa and Ghana de Odio Mohawaja Obebodam. You would dear professors, engineers, and so you're quite yet. Ye bridges in yet. Just a movie who could want to say. Who can want to say, who Africa lead down so bad, your wife and say, oh, sorry, I wasted the paper now on crop. After put you down. This is some okay. America full yes, a lot of countries who go and support them. Bagani yes about one of the boy. One of the boy unia. I know G and penny for any African leaders before who drew well TSA. What's I'm a problem no say Miss what that me. Yeah, near me no say. Me a fool. I'm handicapped. Monsieur Yama be bree. Minim the way ye books, minim the way ye biofield. And so, Massa, and who knew penny be introduced to a baby, I was in Nayaqua.
Funny Pafofro. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, could you watch out for you?
Medio so.
Your family, I'm going to see you. I'm saying, I know no friend or not someone I'm going to come to Canada. Once a working, I think, Ghana, the Yagana. Now, the customer will come to say, the Canada doing drilling, so I can actually. Oh, I never saw who was who can. What their Canada is one.
Hello? Oh, Kafra. Yeah, funny Pafofro. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain. Michia, no what you for? Okay, Captain. Adia bako potin a menti asie since I woman me a Ghana but adia bako potin a debia ya na a broom a dream menti asie so ne say ada na Ghana ye mpanyinfo no omuni na omu ye mpanyinfo by ye nim so omu ye puppet omu hwe de ekoso they understand what is going on but deep down omu bia ntimi mpejai like say omu ba out abeka no kre say nipa bako pon ni so me abeka no kre na kire say ebia say ni na ekoso ntina ye man no entimi nko nani me nti atie kra say Ghana ye wo masons ye wo freemasons wo Ghana masons no omu ye developmental like omu adwunu susun omu ni mapa yema efe ye friend no character building they understand and they go according to some kind of rule in order say they take although they are kind of like soldiers they take their orders from above from the highest authority but then still now it still baffles me say nipa one person na nyame bo nipa no nipa your consciousness bia the bibi the unyami pon extra se ko ya de boni bia utimi because oh my lord I still say maybe this thing shouldn't be like that but yempa ni poni bebre no aso mo ye robot mean
hello
Captain mentor the mission of Pastor to grant to me no share well at all when they join in the education by okay back to that's the Captain Nami huni one your person reference and I'm a patcho you can't send it was a Bible one near Udi my sita of Babel or your way and that too we are seeing Kobe no Mukasa Eyibibre, apart from Africa, Abrofo, French are French, America, Brofo. Now, what I've realized is God has something unique for us. Obagana kitwe kura fante aibe incline tree. Look at it. Now me will say the sacrifice for we to make the thing they are to me being ma obi ntimi person big na ho. Now we say papa ya friend na bushi. Ni korina no kan ye no. But mental, I have been praying for you and I love you so much. Even crying obi obe who adwuma mu and I am free and you bet you cry. I'm one because I can't because I'm wedding. I'm not sure say people can even be writing. Sometimes one can say people write and you tell them say, even if your life are you putting, you are putting for Ghana. I said you have God, but you are putting for Ghana. But at the end, what is your family going to benefit? I pray for you. Watch this. What country burn on Casa every Africa? Which means a God eye is here. But I pray for you. Yeah, I'm sure Pastor Tony could grant to me.
So me da say, yeah, for biabi, but I am for last person. Okay, man, who's asking? Okay, that's okay. Yeah, for biabi. It's all right. This is the time for Africa to change. So let's change. This series will continue. We'll continue on Wednesday. Now, I do mirror say Africa. Yenso yetimi ye bibi ma ye ho. Why? Israel leaders no. You must begin to think. African leader, think. Let's begin to think. Ye fro kwashe demo America, ufa play no wi a won ka America, betna Ghana. Kotna Germany, sorry, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Mali, Togo, Burkina Faso, Senegal, Okotna, Ubabetna, Africa. Till Rwanda, the inform president in Shedemuni Arabian countries, no, Morocco, Egypt, Algeria, inform in Shedemuni and I want the 1 year Africans, and I shed on one bekan ye. There's something wrong with us. Let's look for it and find a solution. Thank you. Danime Huaba. Shannon Sumami say DBS roofing sheets. And so as senior Yade and Fabɛwɔso no at the brewo. West Sida now be boss of the Shannon so. Say DBS roofing sheets. And it says how the board. 1 minute so as senior Yade Fabɛwɔso brewo. That's it.